Bamboo train. It is located in Cambodia. The train station is located at the outskirts of the town Battambang in Cambodia. The journey started and we are just moving on a bridge. You can see the speed at which the train is running. It's me traveling in the train. The bamboo train, or nori, as called locally, is essentially a bamboo flatbed on the wheels, which is powered by a 6 HP engine. Since it is a single track, when the train comes in the opposite direction, then one train is disassembled and set on the ground besides the track so the other train can pass. Then it is again assembled and the journey continues. The train which is doing return journey is not disassembled, but the other one is. There are no bolts and nuts to assemble the train, but it is fixed on the proper grooves. This rail line is stretched all the way to capital of Phnom Penh, but the tracks are not good, so the bamboo train runs for about 7 kilometers to nearby village and back. The train journey takes about 30 minutes for both way travel. The train will run at the speed of about 20 kilometers per hour. Straw mat is spread on the bamboo platform on which the traveler has to sit. You can just see how they are disassembling and assembling the train. You can see how the platform can be fitted on the wheels using the grooves. See, they are just fixing it now. Now the train is ready for the journey again. The drivers are usually friendly and hardworking. Since the bamboo platform is heavy, 2 persons are needed to disassemble and assemble the train. As you have seen, no bolts and nuts are used to assemble the train. You need to pay about $8 to $10 for your return journey per person. A belt is connected between the wheel shaft and the engine. Now the engine is started. You can listen to the sound. The stick is used by the driver of the train to control the speed of the train. You should be careful while traveling as there is no support in the sideways. You are passing through the beautiful greenery which is besides the track. Now we are nearing our destination. There are many shops in the station. You can have cool water, soft drinks, tender coconut, eggs, etc. When I reached the destination, I met a group of very smart children who knew different languages. Thank you. This is Vishwanath Pai, who visits Cambodia regularly on teaching assignments.